welcome back to the channel. It is a gorgeous day outside today here in Ohio. It is, dare I say, spring-like. The sun is out, temperature's kind of up a little bit. Things are looking good. Yesterday, I spent a little time on my driveway with the old Ford tractor. I wanted to film doing that and add it into the videos, but I'm still new to like the tractor, and I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to grading the driveway. It did turn out nice though. So I was just trying to really concentrate on what I was doing so I could do a really good job, because I don't want to mess my driveway up. But things went fine. And as I get more comfortable with the tractor, I'll start videotaping some of that, throwing it in some of the videos. So today I am working on, I have a large wholesale order on deck, but there's some pieces that they need right away from that order. So what I'm trying to do is knock these 10 pieces out real quick and get them in the mail to them as soon as possible so that they can have them quickly. So I'm out here today just working on it. This particular item is all hand cut. I don't have dies for it. Dies are tough because dies are expensive. So, you know, to make 10 of these and spend all the money you need to spend on the dies, it just doesn't make financial sense. It'll take you a long time. If they're only ordering 10 at a time, it'll take you a long time to get your money back on those dies. I'll bet dies, I haven't priced them for this project, but I've bought other dies. But I bet dies to make these would be over $400. So it would take a really long time to get that money back and be worth the investment. And when I say dies, I mean leather clicking dies, and they look like cookie cutters. I've gone over this before in other videos. Some of you guys probably know what I'm talking about, and many of you probably don't care. So that's what I got going on today. I just finished up all the cutting, snaps, eyelets, all that's done. Now my next step is I'll glue these all up, and then I'll sew them, and then do all the finish work and put them together or whatever. Hopefully another day's worth of work, really. Days meaning half a day, because I'm only out here half a day. I got to go to my real job. So I'll show you what these things look like real quick. So there's 3 pieces to this sheath. So that's the front side. That's the welt. And what the welt does is protect the stitching from the knife blade. And then that's the back side. So when it's all together, it's sort of what it looks like, but nice and neat. And then this folds over and forms your snap once the knife is in there. And then it hangs off a lanyard from those holes off your neck. Pretty cool. These are exclusive to Self-Reliance Outfitters. They have a knife that fits this sheath, and that's the only knife that fits this sheath. So if you're interested in that knife or one of these sheaths for that knife, check out selfrelianceoutfitters.com and you will find them. It's called the LS Carver, I believe. So it's a little carving neck knife. So all I got to do is glue all these up. Oh, it doesn't work for me. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up. I just wanted to get this video out real quick and get these started on. So suspenders are on hold until the hardware gets here that I've been waiting for, because I need to do a test fit with that hardware. And then the hammer is on hold until all the bills are paid. So we probably won't get back to the hammer for a little while. We got to get got to take care of orders first. So it's all part of it. Like, I want to do more homesteading stuff, and I will, but you know, I still have to have income. I'm not self-sufficient enough to not have income. So a lot of what you guys see in this channel is obviously the leather work, because it takes up a lot of my free time. So unfortunately, I have to do that. Not unfortunate, I enjoy doing it. But I have to do that in order to afford the tools, equipment, and time, I guess, to homestead. Homesteading is not cheap. I don't care what anybody says, it's not cheap. Unless you've been saving your whole life and then you're just paying cash for everything. Good for you. But for me, I've not been saving my whole life. I'm over 40 now. And I don't have... I don't want to say that. That sounds doom and gloom. Who knows how much time I have on this planet, you know? But I can't wait anymore. It's now. Do it now. Like, it's, you can't keep putting things off. So, where was I going with that? I got lost. Anyway, I have to do the leather work to help fund this dream of mine, you know, and someday, hopefully, I'll get to a point where I don't need to work as much and I can do more homesteading than I do working, which is the ultimate goal. Being somewhat self-sufficient, lowering my living expenses, substituting our grocery bill, substituting our heating bill. Someday I'd like to figure out some sort of way to substitute our electric. So, it's all new to me. I'm learning as I go, and just trying to get as much done as I can. But I got the rest of my life to accomplish this. So hopefully the content over the future will gear more towards like homesteading projects and cutting wood and splitting wood and building barns, and that stuff's all coming. I'll just have to shoehorn it into my busy schedule. That's just how it is. So, but I appreciate everyone being here. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. You guys are doing great. Honestly, I look at what's going on my channel is pretty phenomenal. I've had a YouTube channel for a very long time, and I've been at the 3,000 sub mark for a while, like years, or just below it or whatever. In January, when I decided to go at YouTube hard, and I did a video every day, we picked up, probably from January till now, we probably picked up 600 to 800 new subs, somewhere around there. I wish I would have kept track of the numbers, but let's just say 600 subs. My videos are getting between 400 and 500 views on average. Now, some videos get thousands of views. You know, they're more popular and they get more activity. But everyday videos get between 400 and 500 views, which means you guys that are just now coming in are watching my videos. It's still overall, it's not a great ratio, but it never will be in YouTube land. But in my mind, you new subs and a lot of you older subs, I appreciate you guys too. Don't take this the wrong way. But a lot of you new subs are driving this channel forward by watching the videos, and I appreciate that. So I don't really understand any of that jumbo. I just know I need to make a video every day or next to every day if I can and get the content out here for people to watch. That's all there is to it. It's that simple. You want to start a YouTube channel? Do that. Make videos. People will watch it. It's that simple. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys again in the next video. Thanks. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel.